Everybody, una good morning o. For this video today, I wan tell una say e dey important make una dey call people with una phone most times. For this channel, I dey teach people how to make money online and offline. Generally, how to make money. Now, many people wey dey poor, when rich person call them or person wey get pass them call them, dem go pick the call. But for them to call the person back, to give the person information, maybe na message or maybe na something they want tell the person no, maybe to even greet the person. Because every time you go dey call rich person or wealthy person, they ask am for money, ask am for things. Sometimes don't ask them for anything. Just dey build the relationship. Talk to them, how your family, how everything dey. All these things dey help to build relationship. And it go help the person to remember you. Even sometimes you go call am. You know say out of people wey no get money, na you dey call like that. Wey be say when you call, you go call the person to greet the person. Other people dey call to ask them for money. As I dey so, I get small, I no be beggar, and at the same time, I never get everything wey I need. But e get some people for where I know somehow, sha. So other people dey call them during Christmas time like that. One Christmas like that, other people don call them, ask for things, ask for things. Me, I no call to ask for things. I just greet them for Christmas. You know wetin happen? Then give every other person money. Me, I no ask for things. Other people dey ask for things. Give us things for chicken or for everything. Me, I no ask. But they still send to me too. Because me, I just greet. I just greet them. Then send to me too. So you go think say if you know they disturb them, they no go give you something no go reach you, something go still reach you. And it go put you for goodwill. And it go make you responsible and respectable before the people. So when you bring real business deal before them, they go listen to you. E better pass person wey be say every time you call, you go talk say I never chop since morning o. Or when dem call am, you no go even call, you go flash. No dey flash rich person. No dey flash wealthy person. Call them. Use your money, maybe na 100 naira or 200 naira you go spend. Maybe in a week you send 200 naira, 200 naira, 200 naira. At the end, the person can give you something worth 10,000 naira or 20,000 naira or the currency of your country. So don't just dey. And anytime when you call, no dey call to dey ask for, to dey beg for money. I dey talk about different businesses for this channel. Go look for one of the businesses for my channel, Dr. Olubenga Adetutu YouTube channel, especially, and for TikTok and on WhatsApp, on TikTok and for Instagram. I dey put my video for there. Make una go look the videos, look see the business wey you fit do, but na money remain. Then tell the person, call the person, tell the person about the business, and tell am say na this money I come need o. The way wey you go explain the business sef, the person go see you say you dey serious. But most people every time they call the person, abeg o, I never eat since morning o, abeg o, I need food o, abeg o, my children school fees o. Those things dey make person wey get money to dey tire for una wey no get money, or wey dey say una no get money. So na this thing I say make I tell una this morning, say try to dey call, no just dey flash rich people or wealthy people. Dey call them. Today I decide to do this video for broken English or pidgin English because I see say many people wey no understand English well, dem dey miss things wey I dey talk for this channel. So if una like make I dey do these videos like this, sometimes for correct English and for pidgin English like this, make una let me know for the description section of this video below, and I go try to dey consider am. So until I come una way next time, bye bye.